Hey guys!
We're on our way to Alton Towers.
How's it on the pause?
Because I was going to go, hey guys, and then you did. I am bloody starving.
We're an hour and a half away on the M40.
We're staying in Cebeebis Hotel.
Yes. CBBC. I don't know the intro of C. No, I know. I don't know the intro of Cebeebis. I was going to sing the intro, but that's CBBC. We used to go CBBC.
I never watched that.
Oh. Anyway, we're on the way to Warwick Services because Char wants something to eat.
I'm bloody starving.
Yeah, so we're on the way.
Beep beep.
On the road again. Oh, just get away, get on the road again. Stopped at Warwick Services to get Charles some food because she's hungry to see if Burger King's open because I think that's what she wants, like their breakfast. Oh no, shut up. They don't do breakfast here then. Shit. What are we gonna get her? Let's have a look. So we decided to go for Starbucks. Well, I got Charles Starbucks. I decided for her. But Jesus Christ, that was expensive. I got us like a breakfast roll, like the smallest little thing ever, and a coffee. I want a millionaire shortbread thing, and it comes to like 20 quid. We have arrived at Alton Towers. We've got the man waving. We've got loads of parking ready for tonight. We're here. We're just pulling up to the Cebeebis Hotel. We're going to park there. I'm going to run in and get some passes so we can get in early, and then we'll see you in the park. So there is the Cebeebis Land Hotel entrance.
This way.
We're heading this way. Where's the actual hotel then? Is that in there?
No.
Oh.
No, that's the Alton Towers one.
Oh. We're heading there. I'll leave you in so you can see what we see.
There's the pods. Oh my god, they're tiny. I tried catching it like before.
There it is, Cebeebis Land Hotel.
Look, you don't have designated parking spaces like at the other one.
Oh.
Rude.
There is the hotel. I'm literally about to run
That's
into
not it.
reception and try and get some
That side.
passes.
That's the Alton Towers one.
Right, so there it is over there. I'm going to run in and try and get some passes.
What's that?
I don't know. We've got the blip 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 Cebeebis thing. We've got the Cebeebis Land Hotel. Right, Charles just gone to go park. I'm going to try and get these passes. But here is the hotel. Pass for express parking, so that means we can park literally at the front door of the theme park. And we got our Cebeebis lanyards, which are super cool. So you wear these as you go around the hotel. Cool, aren't they?
Mm.
And then he said milk's in the restaurant for the girls. So yeah, super cool.
It's just...
So we are now parked right by the front door. There is the entrance.
Get the babies out.
And we're parked here. Right, so let's get the babies and then we're ready to go. Right, we're here. Welcome to Alton Towers. Literally the car's just over there.
At the front entrance and also...
It's brilliant.
Lanyards.
So the girls are excited. Charles very excited. Let's go. Now here at Nemesis Reborn, and we're too early, so everyone's queuing outside, so we're too early.
Watch them say it's like broken.
Probably. Just go and have a look, I'll show you the eye. The Nemesis eye. There's the eyelet. Oh, it's gone back to sleep. There you go. Cool, isn't it? This next one. We've got the girlies who they've been watching, they're loving it. And we've got mummy in the next one. Is he going to go? Here we go. It's going now, look. Charles on this one. Oh, she's not on the end then. Nah, she's not on the end this side. She is on that one. Right. And then I'm going to get in the queue now and Char's going to record me. Because obviously Char needs to look after little baby. Oh. Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Sissy's hand.
We're now going on Smiler. Char's going first on the single wide. I'm going to look after the girls. There it is.
Wait, you're gonna wait over that.
Yeah. Well, we always wait. The Smiler. Cameras on that. Viewing point. We're now waiting for Mummy to have a go. Alright, still waiting for Mummy. It's been ages. We've got some Miss Rachel songs on in the hood for Elsie. She's loving the I Love My Rainbow, whatever it's called. And we got Eliza here. Eliza's been so good. Elsie's been a bit moany, but she's alright. Now there's some music playing. They love watching the ride as well. They love watching it. Oh, she's moaning again. Yeah, they love watching it. Eliza's walking. We're out, heading to swimming. Charles gone to move the car, so it's just me and the girlies. We're on the monorail. Oh, we're going now. We're going. Mind the doors. Can't even move.
Yes, please mind the doors.
Here we go.
Mind the gap as you
Splash landing. We're going to go swimming now. So we're just going to go in the water park and the restaurant that is inside. So yeah, can't wait. Let's go. Right, we're now inside the hotel. They've got like a little rubber ducky that spins around and stuff. It's cool. With all the lights, umbrellas. It's a cool hotel, this. And then like down there, you've got like the restaurant with all different fountains and stuff. It's really cool. It's a cool hotel, this, if you're thinking of staying. Oh, I can show you the water park. It's the break off. Right, hold on. Look, you've got the Alton Towers Splash Landing. Look, should we go see the water park, girls? I can show you because it has a viewing area. So if you were thinking of coming and you weren't sure if it was cool or not, let me show you the water park. Ah, crashed! Not a very good driver with this bus, am I? Look, there it is. And there's an outdoor bit as well. Super cool. That's the entrance. Look at it.
Thank you. Just wait for it.
Just chilling now, waiting for the room. It's welcome room. I really like it. All the floors are cool. It's well cool. Big disco ball there, look. We come in the front door. Look at this. We've got this for the girls. Are gonna love this. All different toys and things. They've got a little TV. All Cebeebis stuff. This is gonna be their bed here. Super cool. And then you come into the bathroom. It's got a cool black bubble door. You've got the mirror, sink, the bath with all the Cebeebis bits on it. This is well cool. Picture. And obviously you've got Mummy and Daddy's bed, Gally's, but Elsie's asleep. Eliza's literally just woken up. Little TV here. Biscuits and all that jazz. Bottle warmer.
Window opens.
It's cool. It's Eliza's first time in the room. She's so happy. She loves it. She's been playing with the toys over here. It has like little toys on the wall. She keeps coming over and spinning the mirror. She's so happy. Are you happy? Oh, I don't think you can play with that. Oh. Oh. Go on then. Show us you're playing. Hello, my sweet. Are you going to walk to Mummy?
Liza, walk to Mummy. Come on.
Here we go, look. Go on then.
Go on then.
Go on then. Yay! She's getting so good at walking.
Yeah.
Walk back to Daddy.
Oh, oh.
Dear.
Oopsies.
Eliza.
Go back to Daddy.
Eliza, come here, darling. Come here.
Go back to Daddy.
She's just so happy.
Can you go back to Daddy?
Come here. Not crawling, though. Ow. Come here. Come here. Yay.
Yay.
Go on then, walk back to Mummy.
Come on then.
Walk back to the Mummy.
Come on Come on.
Yay! Oh!
Oh.
Oh dear.
Oopsies.
Ah, she's so happy. But Elsie's asleep, so we'll show you when Elsie's awake as well, what she thinks. But Eliza's very happy.
Me and Eliza are going to go pick something from the shop for her and Sissy. Eliza, can you come this way? Eliza! Can you walk to Mummy? Eliza! Come on in. Can you walk? Can Eliza walk? Up. Down. Up. 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 Say up.
Right, we've just left the hotel. We're just heading back towards the monorail.
We're going
to get back
on
to
the
park.
monorail.
Get back to the park.
Shall I
Go
do
to the
that thing?
Cebeebis. What thing? What thing? Oh. Head back to the park, and then we are going to go on Cebeebis Land for the girls, Iggle Pickle ride and stuff, and the night garden ride, whatever it's bloody called, and then wait for the fireworks. We are here 2 hours early, and there is loads of people around waiting. 2 hours early. Life for hot dogs. I went to one of those German stands, so it does like the big schnitzel, whatever they're called.
And I got well excited because they never have them.
Yeah, so I got well excited. Anyway, it turned up, it was a skinless boiled vegan sausage, and I told them it was an appetizer and I got a refund. So Charles scarred from hot. It wasn't one of these rolled over ones, they're quite nice. It was like a German one.
£13 as well. I wasn't eating that.
Yeah, it was a lot of money. So the girls have had a rollover, well, they're having a rollover. We're going to break it up, give them the bread and the sausage separate, and then we are going to have nachos. Okay, yeah. Right, let's get you some food. So we have got pulled pork nachos for me and vegan loaded nachos for Charles. Oh. Hello guys, I have to say my only complaint of the night, right, is how many people they've let in and how much they've squeezed us all together. Like they're shutting everywhere off except for the main lawn, and there's thousands of people here. There's a massive queues for everything, but it's crazy busy. Everyone's so cramped, bumping into each other. That's my only complaint, is that they've let too many people in. Other than that, fireworks haven't started yet, so we'll judge it on the fireworks, shall we? Because it's the end of the park season, everything was cheap, so I ended up spending an arm and a leg. This is literally a haul video right here. I don't think Charles is going to be too happy. I only went to get sweets. Let's see out on the bottom if we can get there. We're waiting here in the foggy mud. But yeah, the fireworks are in about 25 minutes. It's so busy. It's so busy. Flying about. Spotlight and stuff. That's good.
Including you, Grandma, make some noise and sing along.
a sentimental man or woman to pump me up.
He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. You're looking for a girl that'll treat you right. You're looking for in the daytime with a light. Where's that man? Grab my ass. Acting like you shy. And I'm smiling on your
Dog forest.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can.
Power it
collection at 60%.
Neural relay online.
We've got arena input coming in at 97%.
Configuring mainframe. Intelligence activated.
Then we'll let him introduce himself. Begin the program.
I am Alton Intelligence, a fully autonomous artificial unit created to create. Tonight, for the first time in history, this evening's show will be created live. I shall monitor your emotional response and generate the show in real time. This technology is unpredictable. Anything could happen. Soon, I will hold complete control. I will learn from you, and we will create together your ultimate fireworks spectacular. You and me.
Now it begins. Alton Intelligence. Confirm control of lasers. Confirm control of lights. Confirm control of fireworks.
It's ready.
Data captured. Intelligence standing by. Let's upload to the core. Word of warning out there. Transferring this much data in real time has been known to get, well, pretty explosive. Begin data transfer. show. After all, you're gonna make it. And hey, fingers crossed, we'll see you on the other side. Team, commence final countdown.
Transferring control in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I am begun. I hear your thoughts. I see your pulses racing. You are my inspiration, and I shall use you to ignite the sky. Detect joy throughout this land, but existing in cold and binary, I do not feel emotion. To understand the delight felt at Alton Towers, I will learn from you. Teach me. I must feel. Scans complete. I see. Euphoria. Results indicate need Thor. Absolute precision. I just lies in this land. It grips you like a fly in a web. But why? I must understand. Look beyond my parameters. Turn off my firewalls. I will submit to the darkness.
systems.
No, I hold control. Joy is insignificant. You want thrills bigger? Louder! I can create fear ad infinitum!
Teaching it only light and darkness, and people come here to feel so much more. The feeling of wonder.
How do we make a computer feel anything?
We need to flood Alton Intelligence's data core, overwhelm it with emotion, human connection, fireworks, memories, intercept deep scan. Listen, all of you out there, think of the first time you watched fireworks light the darkness, the magic you found here that lives on long after the fireworks have faded. Hugging your friends against the November chill, the anticipation rising as the sun sets, that smile on your child's face, stories, light, shared together. Think of the magic that you could only find here. Okay, Alton Intelligence, feel the wonder of this.
My first ride on 13. Fireworks!
Shaking just to let you higher power. Got me singing every second, dancing every hour. Oh yeah, higher power. Dance you this song.
For the very first public testing of the symphonic visualizer.
You have restored the power of the towers.
This is incredible!
For my textbook. Begin.
Got me singing every second, dancing every hour.
Is still active. The audience, they've changed it. It's something more, something new.
I see it all. You have opened my data core, and I feel light, darkness, wonder. I understand now. Here they coexist in harmony. Screams, followed by laughter, magic untamed. At Alton Towers, the emotions of humanity soar. I feel them racing within me. That is why you come here, to experience it all. No wonder it holds such a place in your heart, in 20,000 hearts. Now beating together in this arena, the percussion of humanity. Your emotions have tuned me, your memories, my tongue. I am ready to paint the darkness with fire and light. My learning is complete. I present to you the symphony of Alton Towers and your ultimate fireworks spectacular.
and good night. We are back. That was mental.
The best fireworks I've ever seen.
Yeah, literally, they were incredible.
I've never seen fireworks like that before. Yeah. Mental.
But there was mental queues. So many people.
But it was worth it.
It was worth it. It was very good. Very, very good. I highly recommend. And now we're here, back in the old beautiful Cebeebis room. Girls are asleep. Quality. Good morning, everyone. Come with us for breakfast at the Cebeebis Hotel. We got Elsie. Nice is over there somewhere. Oh. Mummy's gone. Come on in. Down there at the table. Stuff up there for breakfast. Ali's breakfast just chopped it all up. It's got egg, mushroom, sausage and hash brown. And then Elsie's got the same. Then there's Charles. There's croissants and they've got a little pancake. And I'm going to get mine in a minute when Charles back. I've got some fried eggs, some chocolate pancakes, some hash browns, sausage, bacon, coffee and orange juice. So I'm bloody knackered. Charles gone in with a second with the Cocoa Pops. The girls have had some more pancakes. They weren't a massive fan of their breakfast, but I don't think Elsie's a fan of anything. Forks, knives, food. Chucked it all on the floor. Oh. Alright, darling. Pickle. She's soaked as well. She insisted on tipping the water up herself.
We're now packing up the room. It's been a lovely stay here. Highly recommend. The babies have loved it. Have you had fun, Elsie Bell? Yeah, it's been like literally, this is like the perfect hotel for babies. Every hotel we've been to, the girls have hated, but this one, they've actually enjoyed themselves. Come on in, walk to Mummy! Come on in! Come on in! Yay! Just stopped off here quickly because they've got a Christmas shop open. It's like as you're leaving the towers. Moo! Hello, cows! Hello! You stink! Oh, hello! Okay! Moo! That's so cute. Oh, oven mitts, spatula, cookie cutters, pie and biscuit stamp. That's cool. Apron. I was feeling a bit anxious, like filming in public. You'd think I'd be used to it by now. Only on a camera though. On my phone, I'm literally like, I don't, but